Marvelous. Nothing beats candies from the barrio, man. You don't know how much like my childhood here is lumpia. Like what? Dang.
Pero mahaba eh.
Okay na yan, mas OG. Tapos, yun, bangus. Fresh bebado.
Kaya niya yun. Ice cream.
Ang San Mariano Public Market. Here's Mama Ross right here. Kami ay bibili ng ulam. So what we did was actually parang ano lang, palengke for me.
Ay, Maranao! Maranao!
So diretso kami sa Maranao. So we have arrived. Oh my god. Ito nga na natin. So dito tayo sa Maranao. This is where I grew up, man. And this is probably where I'm gonna die too. May ano to? Ledger. Welcome to the barrios. Ano yung duyan nyo? Yossi, no. This is candy. Look at this. Marvelous candy. Bang innovative talaga ng mga taga Isabela. I don't know if sa Isabela lang to meron. But look at this. Like, hey, Yossi, no. Candy, yes. So we're just gonna open it. There we go. It is a candy after.
Sana sumarda ng sagsagit.
Academic rivals to lovers. Florence, galing ni Florence. That's about got crazy. May sunog, guys. Something is up. May nasusunog. Ano yun? Ano? Dahil sa ganun? Dude. So, update. May electric surge. Ano yun guys? What the fuck? That's like the wire. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. That's scary. Okay, so update. Walang kuryente. This is where I'm gonna sleep. Look at me. Hey. Hey, that's me. My pilot dreams. Pauwi ko pala ng bata ako, di ba? So, look at that guys. Portable fan. Ito nang ba't gusto ni Daddy sa ganitong setup. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Para akong baby lang. Pero suot ako jacket and pants kasi sensitive yung katawan ko. Like, nag-off lotion ako pati sa mukha. Ganun ka sensitive yung mukha ko. So, I mean yung katawan ko. Malapitin ako mga insects. I don't know. So, pinalitan ko yung purple to purple. Pero no shit. Bumaba tayo dun sa baba. It's kinda like they do here always in the morning, I guess. And yeah, load right there. I'm gonna help her. What is the blue? Para saan? Damo lang hawak ko. It's a big ass bolo. Kita kami sa baba ngayon. As you can see the view. What the? Ano? I don't know where the hell we're going, but it seems fun. Parang ibang daan to. Yes, guys. Haba ng talk ko. What the? And I told myself I wanna disappear. And here I am. Away from the freaking city. Look. Yan mamaloy. Worthy of the world. Yeah, this is where I wanna disappear. Nice. Guys. Wow. Paano ako kunin yun? Nahulog na. Look at my shadow, bro. I'm like a full-on provinciano. Bye guys, fresh buko, fresh from San Mariano.
Maranaw ko na.
Best buko juice you'll ever have. Woo! Tara na, sa barrio.
Oh, daytang.
So, kameram.
Inom ka na.
Mamaloy, oh.
Namilik na buko. Ginalay.
Nice. Fresh buko, yo. Never got better than it.
Pinangilid ka niya.
Ayan, so full on kamote. Okay, so lilipat kami ng pwesto. Ano yung harvest natin dun? I don't know where to go. So, na lang, nag-jogging pants tayo at jacket at off lotion. Because we're about to die here. Napaka-sensitive ng ating skin.
Pero bilangin natin ang laman. So, oo.
Binuit ko na ate, bulot ko na.
Ito.
Dami.
Yan.
1 for you, 2 for you.
Yan. Yan.
Cups.
Ala.
Yan.
Ni, dapat ni. Dapat dati nga nakarwari ni.
harvest na. Lupa. May laman na naman yan. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yan.
Nice.
Kamay mayatan na gaya. 4.
Bang sa baba. Sigurado isang sako yan.
So, kita niyo yung wonders ng Maranao. Isabela. So great. Ang dami natin makukuha crops sa isang maliit lang na side.
Oh, ito oh, ang laki.
See?
Oh,
That's what he's, I mean.
When.
Pawis na ako pero worth it.
Matamis.
So, one thing I love about the barrio is there's no expectations, man. It's the good place, the best place to just disappear to, right? Like if you wanna disappear here. That's a song by Bad Sans, pero oh, love it, man.
Kung maghukay ka dito. Dito banda rito para kon. Tabi-tabi mamaya. Patay mo ang tatlo.
I planted that. Whoa! What the? Malunggay. Yeah. Alright. So after a long day of harvest, after that harvest, balik na tayo. Kaya naman no, may tinanim akong malunggay. Bakina pa ako and everything. Whew. This is the escape that I want. Malayo sa paperwork, sa schoolworks, TSG, and whatnot. And yeah, I'm happy. Kinda am. Actually am. Am I happy? So we're back. We're back from where we came. Actually, maaga pa dito. It's around 8 pa lang. Sobrang dami nang nagagawa. Literal lang nagising kami mga 6. Breakfast na 6:30. And then yeah, ito naman ginagawa namin. And the day is still not it's like 8 pa lang pero dami na nagawa. That's Guyabano porridge. It's the Guyabano shake. We're gonna taste it. Is it gonna be good? There it is. That's tasty. And look what we cooked. This is called bukayu, or coconut sugar. Tamis. Good shit. So guys, it's the one, and we're gonna have food to fight. It's the birthday girl, oh. Birthday niya. Papoodle fight show.
Lord,